Welcome back, my scholars. I hope you all are fine and enjoying. Let's add one more page in our English diaries. Let's discuss the question answer of lesson 1 of class 9, Beehive, the fun they had. So, in this video, we are going to discuss the textual question of lesson number 1, the fun they had, that we have read. So, here are the questions. Question number 1 says, how old are Margie and Tom? So first thing, whenever we are writing the answers, we should see the question is in which tense. Question जिस tense में है, we will try to write the answer in that tense only. As we know, is MR is these are used in present tense, so we will try to give the answer in present only. अब इसमें पूछा गया है मार्गी और टॉमी कितने साल के हैं. So the answer is Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. Now the question number 2 says, what did Margie write in her diary? मार्गी ने अपनी डायरी में क्या लिखा? ये तब की बात है जब टॉमी को एक बुक मिली एंड एट नाइट मार्गी राइट अबाउट इट इन हर डायरी. सो फर्स्ट थिंग हियर डिड इज देयर. सो रिमेंबर वन रूल कि जब भी क्वेश्चन में डिड है देन वी विल राइट वर्ब सेकंड फॉर्म इन आंसर. आंसर लिखते समय हम वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म लिखेंगे. हियर वर्ब इज राइट. काम क्या हो रहा है इसमें? लिखना. तो verb is write. So when we will write the answer, we will write Margie. Write की second form है wrote. Margie wrote in her diary that Tommy found a real book today. So question number 3 is, had Margie ever seen a book before? क्या मार्गी ने कभी बुक देखी थी? ऐसी बुक अगर उसने देखी होती तो इतना सरप्राइज्ड वो ना होते. So its answer would be no, Margie had never seen a book before. No, Margie had never seen a book before. Question number 4 says, what things about the book did she find strange? Here she has been used for Margie. मार्गी के बारे में लिखा गया ये. दे आर सेइंग व्हाट थिंग्स अबाउट द बुक डिड शी फाइंड स्ट्रेंज. बुक के बारे में ऐसी कौन कौन सी चीजें थी जो उसे स्ट्रेंज लगी. द फर्स्ट थिंग, इट्स पेजेस वर येलो एंड क्रिंकली. जैसे हमने पढ़ा था कि वो बहुत पुरानी हो चुकी थी और पुरानी बुक्स आप भी अपने घरों में देखें तो उनके पेजेस येलो हो जाते हैं. द सेम केस वॉज विद दैट बुक. इट्स पेजेस वर येलो एंड क्रिंकली. सेकेंडली, as we know that Margie and Tommy's notebooks were telebooks, जो टेलीविजन स्क्रीन पर डिस्प्ले होती थी, जिन्हें ई टेक्स्ट बुक भी कह सकते हैं हम. बट दैट बुक वॉज मेड अप ऑफ पेपर. टेलीबुक में वर्ड्स मूव करते रहते हैं, बट द स्ट्रेंज थिंग फॉर हर वॉज दैट द वर्ड्स वर स्टिल ऑन द पेजेस. वो मूव नहीं कर रहे थे, दैट वर नॉट मूविंग. So the answer would be the pages of the books were yellow and crinkly and the words were still on the pages. What do you think? Question number 5 is, what do you think a telebook is? As we have discussed in this question, telebook क्या है? Telebook, अगर हम इसे ब्रेक करें, it's a compound word, tele and book. टेले एक बुक, ऐसी बुक जो टेलीविजन स्क्रीन पर डिस्प्ले होती है, that is called a telebook. So the book that gets displayed on a television screen is called telebook. I repeat, the book that gets displayed on a television screen is called a telebook. Where was Margie's school? मार्गी का स्कूल कहाँ था? Margie's school was next to her bedroom. उसके घर में ही था. Was in her home only, next to her bedroom. Did she have any classmates? ये हमने पढ़ा था कि वहाँ वो अकेले ही स्टडी करते थे. So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा no, she did not have any classmates. No, she did not have any classmates. Question number 7 says, what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? मार्गी और टॉमी कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स लर्न करते थे, सीखते थे? उनके टीचर्स थे रोबोटिक टीचर्स और वो मेनली 3 सब्जेक्ट स्टडी करते थे. दैट वाज ज्योग्राफी, हिस्ट्री एंड अर्थमेटिक. सो द आंसर वुड बी मार्गी एंड टॉमी लर्नड. मैंने यहाँ लर्न की सेकेंड फॉर्म लगाई, लर्न. वाई? बिकॉज as I told you, whenever did is there in the question, we will try to write second form. We will write, not try, we will write second form of verb. So Margie and Tommy learned geography, history and arithmetic. Question number 8 says, what kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Again did is there. This rule can be used while doing the editing, उसमें आपको helpful रहेगा. So here verb, firstly verb is have. हमें ये पता चल गया that we will use had. Have की second form है had. So what kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Margie और Tommy के किस तरह के teachers थे? That we all know that their teachers were mechanical teacher, robot. You can also say electronic teachers or robotic teachers. You can use three words: mechanical, electronic, and also robotic. So the answer would be Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers, and we can also write Margie and Tommy had electronic teachers. Question number 9 asks, why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Margie की mother ने county inspector, firstly who was the county inspector? वो person who was supposed to correct their teacher, robotic teachers जो थे, mechanical teacher, electronic teacher, उन्हें ठीक करने के लिए क्यों बुलाया मार्गी की मदर ने? Why? Because क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी मार्गी के साथ? Margie's electronic teacher was giving her test after test, but her performance was getting worse and worse. बुरी से बुरी होती चली जा रही थी, and her mother was concerned for her. That's why she sent for the county inspector. तो इसका आंसर क्या लिखेंगे? I will repeat that Margie's performance was getting worse and worse in geography subject. Her mother was concerned for her. That's why she sent for the county inspector.